forgot to start recording. Yes. Right. So I've started the recording also. So today we'll discuss the practice assignment first. Yes. Now tell me, please. What was the first question? Can you please repeat it, Bite? What was the first question in the assignment?
Why was the fir tree not happy with the gold leaves?
Okay, Bite. Is it fir tree or is it fig tree? I think I explained it to you. What is the pronunciation of this word? Yes, Vidya, what is the pronunciation? The correct pronunciation is not fir, it is fir tree. Bhavishya, it's fir tree. Right, Bhavishya? Now please speak up the answer also. Yes, why was the fir tree not happy with the gold leaves? Yes, Bhavishya, speak out the answer.
The fir tree was not happy with the
Again,
gold leaves.
Bhavishya, again you're speaking fir. Speak again.
The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because those were stolen.
Yes, because they were stolen. That's why he was not happy. Because the thief came and stole all the gold leaves. So he was not happy with the gold leaves. Right. Second question. Avni Duggal, switch on a camera and speak out the second question. What was the second question? Please, you have to be quick, everybody. Avni Duggal, yes. Where do people go? I don't understand. Yes, Tanya Chawla, can you speak to the second question? Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Please be quick, better.
Why was the tree
Hmm.
not happy with gold leaves?
I'm asking you to speak the second question. You are still repeating the first one, Tanya. That was the first question. What is the second question, Tanya? Manveer, Sandal, can you please speak the second question, bete? Do you know what is the second question, Manveer? Hanji, boliye beta, unmute yourself and speak out.
Why is a nose important to us?
No. Was this the second question? Yes, Bhumi, unmute yourself. Was this the second question? Bhumi?
Lesson concept.
I'm not asking for the lesson, Manveer. You don't know that what we are doing. I told you that we are going to revise the practice assignment. जो मैंने आपको practice assignment भेजी थी, हम वो revise कर रहे हैं. Do you have that? Have you done that in the notebook? Manveer, did you do that? वो practice assignment जो मैंने English की भेजी थी, वो आपने की थी? हाँ जी, वो खोलो, open करो, नो पेज open करो जहाँ पे की थी. चलो जल्दी से third question मैं आपसे पूछूंगी मनवीर. Yes, Bhumi, speak out the second question, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak the second question. Do you know what was the second question,
Who
beta?
fills Neha's room with the warm smile?
Yes. Answer is Bhumi, please be quick, beta. We don't have so much time. I told you to keep the notebook open.
It is the big bright sun that fills Neha's room with a warm smile.
Right. Bhumi, have you written this answer or you are reading this answer from the question answers where you have done the chapter? Practice assignment कहाँ सॉल्व की वहां से रीड कर रहे हो या बेटा वैसे तो आपको you shouldn't have been reading. आपको तो आने चाहिए ना, आपको रीड करके बताने की तो जरूरत होनी नहीं चाहिए थी. Okay. Right. So, Manveer, have you got that? Manveer, unmute yourself. नहीं मिला. आपने सॉल्व किया था मनवीर? Unmute yourself, Manveer. Unmute first. Dipansha. Yes, Dipansha. Third question, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hanji, third question, please, quickly.
Does the child like her nose in the poem? And why do you think so?
So what is the answer?
No, the child in the poem does not like her nose because when she sees her nose in the mirror, she always laughs.
She always laughs when she sees her nose in the mirror. All right, fine. Jasveer's iPhone. आप कभी rename करना मत बेटे. Ranveer, never rename yourself. And switch on your camera quickly. Ranveer, switch on your camera quickly. हाँ जी. Next question क्या है? Ranveer, what was the next question? Quickly बताइए जरा मुझे. What was the next question in the assignment? Better keep your cameras on, everyone. Ranveer, have you solved the practice assignment? What is the first word? Call as?
Verb.
Yes. Can you please tell me a sentence with this?
Her mother called her for dinner.
Now you are repeating the same sentence that we have done in the class. Can you tell me some other sentence on your own? Can you make some other sentence on your own? Aryan, set your camera properly. I want to see your face better. Yes.
Her friend called him for playing football.
Very good. Aryan, have you solved the practice assignment? Unmute yourself, Aryan. Aryan, unmute कीजिए बेटे. आपने practice assignment solve किया बेटा?
Ma'am, yes.
Very good, Aryan. Second sentence, make sentence. Second word कौन सा बच्चे?
Ma'am, क्या?
Second word कौन सा? Make sentences का. Yes, Aryan. What was the second word?
Ma'am, happy.
Very good, Aryan. Speak a sentence.
Ma'am, my friend was very happy.
Very good, Aryan. Lavanya, what was the third word? Unmute yourself, Lavanya. Lavanya, unmute बेटे. जैसलवीर, fourth word आपने बताना है, ठीक है? हाँ जी. After Lavanya, जैसलवीर आपकी turn है. Yes, बेटे. Yes, Lavanya. Advice. Can you please tell me sentence also, Lavanya? Any sentence you can form. You can form right now. अभी notebook नहीं भी मिल रहा, page नहीं मिल रहा, आप अपने आप से बना के बता दो फटाफट से. बोलो बेटा. Advice as verb.
My teacher gave an advice.
अच्छा चलो, my teacher gave me an advice. So यहाँ पे मैम ने मुझे एक advice दी. Advice यहाँ पे thing है. My teacher gave me what? What का आंसर तो thing देती है. इसका मतलब वो तो क्या हो गया लवन्या? वो तो ADVIC की advice noun हो गया. But I'm asking you ADVIC advice as verb. As verb. चलो लवन्या, I'll give you 1 minute to think. जैसलवीर, by that time आप बोलिए what is the fourth word? Why you have switched off your camera? Jaisalveer, why your camera is off now? Yes. Fourth word. What is the fourth word?
Ma'am, the teacher granted her leave.
Okay, but you didn't tell me the word. What is the word here, teacher? What is the word here, teacher?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, leave now.
Okay, so the teacher granted her a leave. What does that mean, Jaisalveer? Leave का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? उसका meaning बता सकते हो हिंदी में?
Ma'am, ma'am, lamely. मैम ऐसे मैम वो होते हैं मैम.
Kashvi, your spellings are wrong. Advice. Yes. Suzanne, what is the meaning of leave here?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of leave here? He said that the teacher granted him a leave. So what is leave meaning? What is the meaning of leave here? Come on. You people are taking very long today. This way we won't be able to solve and discuss all the whole of this. Mankaran, could you please tell me what I'm asking?
Yes, ma'am.
लीव मतलब
मैम छोड़ना।
छोड़ना। अगर मैं किसी चीज को छोड़ रही हूँ सुजैन, तो मैं तो एक्शन कर रही हूँ। आई एम लिविंग दिस रूम, ये रूम छोड़ के जा रही हूँ, तो एक्शन हुआ, तो वो लीव एज वर्ब होगा। बट हियर आई एम आस्किंग लीव एज नाउन।
मैम
यस,
छुट्टी।
छुट्टी।
मैम
यस यस, लीव मीन्स टू टेक, मीन्स एक ब्रेक या छुट्टी, राइट? Okay, Lavanya, your turn now. Advice as verb. Mankaran, wait for your turn. I'll give you some other thing to do. Yes, Lavanya.
Teacher advised me to work hard.
My teacher advised me to work hard. All right. So यहाँ पे आप किसी को advise कर रहे हैं, मेरे teacher ने मुझे advise किया. That means कोई action किया. So it is a verb here. Right. Okay. Now the next thing, Jantika Kanda. Who's this girl? Beta, switch on your camera. And what is the next question? Can you please tell me what was the next question in the assignment? Jantika, switch on your camera. अभी आपका camera on था. Why you have stopped it? Ma, who woke me up today? That was the who said to whom. Now, can you please tell me the answer also, Jantika? Himanshu, don't do it
Neha
today.
said to mother.
Now, whenever you're writing who said to whom, आपको पूरे sentence में answer देना है. That's why I've given you this. So if you get a question about this, who said these words to whom? So your answer should be Neha said these words to mother, right? So आप Neha to mother नहीं लिखेंगे, you'll get half of the marks for that. Jantika, mute yourself. This is for all of you. Whenever you are asked, any question is given, who said to whom, जब who said to whom का कोई भी question आता है, तो make sure कि आपका answer पूरे sentence form में होना चाहिए. So the answer would be Neha said these words to mother. Neha to mother लिखेंगे तो half marks मिलेंगे, right? Okay. Next, Justej, what is the next question, bete? Justej, what is the next question, बच्चे?
मम्मा पानी लेके आई हो.
Who is this? Who's
Ma'am,
ordering?
yes.
Justej, what is the next question in the assignment?
Ma'am,
bete?
yes. Ma'am, next question.
हाँ जी, next question बेटे.
Ma'am, next question is Ma'am, solve the given question.
हाँ, उसका first part बोलिए ना बेटा. Solve the given
Ma'am,
question. हाँ जी.
उसका first है alarm.
Alarm. Okay, very good. तो इसे क्या करना था? Basically हमने इसको rearrange करके लिखना था, right? Yes. Karman, what is the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Karman. Next part is what was the next part?
Ma'am, next part है smile.
Smile, yes. It was ILESM, so we have to rearrange the letters to make a proper word. So हमने जब उसे rearrange किया तो it became smile. Right. Okay. What is the next question? Vanshika. Vanshika, unmute yourself. What is the next question, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next
Ma'am,
question?
मैं अभी join. मैम मैंने अभी join किया है. मैं कहीं
Vanshika,
out of station गई थी. मैम मुझे पता नहीं.
listen to me, Vanshika. You're continuously speaking. Listen to me. I'm asking you कि हम लोग practice assignment solve कर रहे हैं जो मैंने आपको last time दी थी. Have you done that, Vanshika? की आपने? जो आपको थोड़ी दिनों पहले practice assignment आई थी, वो की थी आपने अपनी notebook में? I can see her. So we are discussing that, Vanshika, in case you can hear me. Saisha, can you tell me the next question, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. What is the next question, Saisha?
Write the opposite.
Opposites. Very good. So the first word was healthy. So what is the opposite of healthy?
Weak.
Weak. Okay, but आपके बुक में जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं वहां पे हमने UN और IN लगाना था. याद है आपको? IM, sorry, or UN. So healthy will become
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. Okay, very good. Now, next question. Sehaj, what is the next part in this? Second. Sehaj, unmute yourself. What is the second one? Quickly, bete, please. Sehaj, second part क्या था? आपने solve किया assignment?
मैम मेरे पास नहीं है.
नहीं, आपने मैंने आपको भेजी थी क्लास में. Did you solve that? I sent you an
Ma'am, no.
assignment. मैंने आपको 14th of May को एक assignment भेजी थी solve करने के लिए. Why you have not solved that, Sahaj? अब आपने नहीं की है ना, तो अभी आपकी क्लास के बाद, आज क्लासेस ओवर होने के बाद 14th डेट की अपनी क्लास के ग्रुप खोलेंगे और उसमें जो असाइनमेंट और गूगल फॉर्म आया है वो सॉल्व करेंगे. I sent a Google form and there are around 180 students. Listen to me, there are around 180 students in 4th class. Almost more than that, around 200 in fact. And I have got responses only from 130 students. Only 130 students. That means around 70 students have not solved the Google form. How bad is it? कितनी बुरी बात है ये. Sukhmani, yes, what is the next word, bete? Said mute yourself now and solve both the things. Hanchi. Sukhmani, what is the next one?
Intelligent.
Intelligent. The next question is proper. I don't know what you people are speaking, bete. क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, I don't know. That means you don't even know what we are discussing. Meher, next part. Proper becomes improper. Yes, Meher.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next word, bete? Jaldi boliye, please. We have only 7
Proper.
minutes left.
Proper, improper.
Proper, I have discussed. Meher, what is the next word? This I have discussed already.
Love, hate.
Love, hate. I think
Yes,
the
ma'am.
word was hatred here. Anyways, Vinay, next word.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Next word, bete.
Ma'am, wise.
Wise. Yes, what is the answer for that? Foolish. Okay, foolish, nahi, foolish, right? Next. Next whole answer. Ishan, what was the next question? Quickly, jaldi se bataiye. All right, I'll read the statement for you. The statement was, what was the next question? Write a word that rhymes with the given word. So guess. Can you tell me a word that rhymes with guess? Rhymes means?
Impress.
Press. Yes, rhyming words कौन से words होते हैं जिनकी sound end वाली sound same होती है, जैसे guess, press, है ना? Mess. So these are all rhyming words.
ma'am.
Yes, bete, yes.
Ma'am, watercress भी तो होता है.
Watercress, yes, that is also correct. Next word that we have is Himank. Next word that we have, what is the next word? Quickly unmute yourself, Himank. When I speak your name, that means I've told you to unmute yourself. Yes, Himank.
Ma'am, hop.
Hope. It is not hop, it is hope. Yes, hope. And then what is the answer? Bete, this way we won't be able to discuss anything. You people are, I don't know what's wrong with you today. You are wasting the time. I'm asking you to give the answer for that. Yes, Himank. Hope. No, he'll sit quietly. He'll not. Hope, mope, top. These are all. Right. Filling the blanks. The fir tree was sad because it has dash leaves. It had. Yes, you can write the answers in the chat box. I never told you not to write anything in the chat box. Yes. Tanav. Yes. The fir tree was sad because it had dash leaves.
Ma'am, word?
What? Means you're continuously writing in the chat box, ki, ma'am, can I write, can I tell, and now when I'm asking you, to aapne chapter, what? Needle, it's not needle leaves, bete, the answer is needle-like leaves, needle jaise leaves, and please mind the spellings of needles, it's N-E-E-D-L-E-S, needles, right? Next, last is dash inside you makes you get up at the same time every day. So it is our body clock. It is our body clocks helps us to get up every day at the same time. Now listen to me very carefully. Now I gave you this. Everybody be attentive. Suppose you are Aditi. You have lost the watch that your father had gifted you on your birthday. Write a short sorry note to him, apologizing for your mistakes. Apologizing means feeling sorry for something. Now when I gave you this thing, bete, take care of this thing. कि आपने किसको लिखनी है? First thing. The first thing is कि आपने अपने father को लिखनी है. So you will be writing quickly in the chat box. What will you write? You write down dear father. नाम नहीं आएगा. So आप father को लिख रहे हैं. जब आप किसी बड़े को लिखते हैं तो आप उनकी आपके साथ क्या relation है वो लिखते हैं. So it would be dear father. Very good. Now I have sent you in the answer कि आप written कि आप मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था बेटा जब भी आप sorry note लिख रहे हैं तो जो first line होगी वो हमेशा sorry feel करने की होगी whenever you are writing. So I'm really sorry. ओके अब आप सॉरी क्यों है, क्या गलती की है आपने, उसको मेंशन करेंगे. आई लॉस्ट द वॉच दैट यू गिफ्टेड मी ऑन माई लास्ट बर्थडे. आप सॉरी क्यों फील करें ये भी तो बताइए फादर को. मैं इसलिए फील कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने वो वॉच गुम कर दी है जो आपने मेरे पिछले बर्थडे पे मुझे दी थी. नाउ वो कैसे गुम हुई, आपने सॉरी फील कर लिया, आपने ये बता दिया कि मैं सॉरी क्यों फील कर रहा हूँ. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज कि वो आपने कैसे तोड़ी, कोई चीज आपसे टूटी है, वो कैसे टूटी है, आपसे गुम हुई है, कैसे गुम हुई है. सो उसका रीजन बताना वो कैसे हुआ. सो आई वेंट टू प्ले क्रिकेट एंड केप्ट द वॉच इन माई बैग. मैं क्रिकेट खेलने गया था और मैंने जो वॉच थी अपने बैग में रख दी थी. व्हेन आई रिटर्न्ड, जब मैं वापस आया तो क्या हुआ, आई सॉ दैट इट वाज नॉट देयर. तो मैंने देखा कि वो जो वॉच मैं बैग में रख के गया था वो वहां नहीं थी. अब नाउ वन थिंग विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज कि आप जब बता रहे हैं कोई चीज तो आप सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करेंगे क्योंकि वो आपसे गुम हो गई थी, वहां क्या हुआ था, ये सब पास्ट में है. सो यू विल यूज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके नाउ आप फर्स्ट थिंग हुई आपने सॉरी फील किया. सेकंड थिंग आप किस चीज के लिए सॉरी फील कर रहे हो. थर्ड थिंग आपने रीजन बताने के बाद वो क्यों हुआ आपसे, वो गलती आपसे क्यों हुई वो एक्सप्लेन करना है. ठीक है नाउ अब यहाँ पे आप ये लिख सकते हैं कि आई विल गेट यू अ न्यू वन. नो बिकॉज पापा ने तो आपको लेके दी थी, अब आप पापा को लेके देंगे वापस, गिफ्ट आपका था. दैट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस हियर, है ना. ऐसी कोई सेंस ही नहीं बनती है. जो चीज पापा ने आपको लेके दी आप वो पापा को थोड़ा ना वापस लेके देंगे. सो एज इट इज वो लाइंस जो मैंने पहले लिखवाई थी वो नहीं कॉपी करनी है, क्या सिचुएशन दी हुई है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली लिखना है. नेक्स्ट इज समवन हैड स्टोलन इट, किसी ने वो चुरा ली थी. आई नो दैट इट वॉज अ कॉस्टली वन. अब आप फिर से सॉरी फील करना चाह रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हैं कि हाँ पापा मुझे पता है कि वो बहुत कॉस्टली थी. नाउ समबडी हैड रिटन हियर, आई विल टेल यू कि मेरी अपनी डॉटर ने क्या लिखा था. उसने लिखा था, उसने ये लाइन लिखी थी अपने उसमें कि आई नो यू लव दैट वन अ लॉट, व्हाई वुड माय फादर लव दैट वॉच. वो वॉच तो मेरी थी ना, तो पापा क्यों उसको प्यार करेंगे. सो इज इट मेकिंग एनी सेंस हियर. पिछले वाली कॉम्पोजिशन से चुरा के मैंने सेम लाइन लिख दी बट क्या वो इस सिचुएशन में फिट हो रही है, वो यहाँ पे फिट नहीं हो रही है. सो जो लाइन जहाँ फिट होती है वहां पे लिखते हैं. ठीक है सो यहाँ पे आपने पापा से सॉरी फील कर रहे हैं, वॉच आपकी गुम हुई है, तो आप ये नहीं लिखेंगे कि आई नो यू लव दैट वन अ लॉट, या आप ये लिख सकते हैं आई लव दैट वॉच अ लॉट, है ना. आप ये तो लिख सकते हैं लेकिन पापा तो नहीं इस वॉच को लव करते होंगे. नाउ अब आप दोबारा एक बार सॉरी फील करो, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, प्लीज प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दो पापा. आई प्रॉमिस आई शैल बी मोर केयरफुल इन फ्यूचर एंड टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल माई थिंग्स. और मैं और एंड आप कैसे करते हो हमेशा, प्रॉमिस करते हो कि आप वो मिस्टेक कभी दोबारा नहीं करेंगे. और एंड कैसे करना है, अब आप अपने फादर को लिखते हैं तो एंड में आप अपना नाम अगर दिया हुआ है जैसे यहाँ अदिति दिया तो वो लिखेंगे, एंड नीचे क्या लिखेंगे, अपना रिलेशन लिखेंगे, योर डॉटर, आप उनकी बेटी हैं या बेटा है. अदिति नाम दिया हुआ है तो सन तो नहीं हो सकता. So your daughter and then Aditi, right? So please take care of when you are